All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean a washing machine filter. All right, so right here I have my washing machine, and the filter needs to be cleaned because often it becomes clogged with lint, dirt, debris, sand, all of whatnot, which can make it difficult for your washing machine to clean. So we're going to clean the filter right now. Now right here I have a front-loading washing machine, and the filter is usually located on the bottom. Well, it is for this particular one. Now, your washing machine may be a little bit different, so it's important to read your owner's manual so you know how to do it exactly how your manufacturer of your washing machine intends for it to be washed. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and get a towel, because when you're doing this, some water may come out and leak onto the floor, and you'll want to be prepared by having a towel in hand. Now, the washing machine filter door is actually at the bottom. This is the washing machine. This is the filter door. Yours could be on the left-hand side, or sometimes I've seen some washing machines that it's up at the top. Now I'm going to take this, and opening up the door of the washing machine filter, just simply come up in here and pull it back. And you see this is one right here. So this one right here has a filter right here, and it has this plastic right here to keep everything in place. And there's some screws in here that have this cover on here for some reason. But I'm just going to go ahead and take this off right here. It doesn't really serve much of a purpose for me, so I'm going to go ahead and take this plastic off. If you want to, you can go ahead and use a screwdriver to get the plastic. So I'm going to, once I have this open, I have the door down, I'm going to go ahead, and you see this right here. Let me get in closer so you can see that. So right here, there is this knob right here. And what I'll have to do is I'll have to twist this counterclockwise to release that. And when I do, water will start coming out, and that's why I have the towel. And so I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and turn it that way. And you see water's coming out of this right here. And I have my towel right here to catch the water. So once I have this all out, all right, see, the water has been caught by the towel. Looks like some more suds and stuff is coming out. And sometimes you'll have some sort of mechanism that allows you to pull it out. I'm just going to go right here and try to get any gunk out of this. And then some of them get down in closer so you can see this. All right, so you look down here, you can see that this right here, if you have any dirt in there, try to get the dirt out. Sometimes you can take a cloth and get the dirt out here. This is a propeller right here. Make sure that there's no lint. Get in closer so you can see that. Lint clogging that right there. You want that to free flowing out here. So any lint, any dirt, when you use a cloth, go ahead and just wipe that out. And so once you've done that, you're going to have to drain this right here. Now this right here, go ahead and pull the tip off of that. Water may come out of it. If not, you're okay. See that? Nothing came out. And so I'm going to go ahead and plug this back in. Plug it back in. Make sure it's back in there thoroughly. Put it back into place. Once that's back into place, all right, you're going to take this and you're going to rinse this off. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this to the sink, and I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this off. If there's any debris, suds, soap, or anything, you want to clean that off. Make sure the gasket right here, rubber gasket, is clean, because if you have a problem with that, you can end up with a lot of water on your floor. So once you've cleaned this out thoroughly, got the suds, go ahead and turn the water off. And then you're just going to return this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and DJ screw this back into place right here. Just like that. Wait. Get it back into place. And then once you've done that, going to go ahead and put the cover back into place. All right. Go ahead and kind of covers kind of. Gonna get it somehow. Here, let me hold my beer. All right, and once you have everything in place, just go ahead and press the cover back into place and then clean up around the area. Make sure all water is up. You don't want anybody to slip. And that is how you clean the filter in a washing machine. Now, this is a general video. Make sure that you read your owner's manual for your particular washing machine so you know exactly how they want you to clean the filter on your washing machine. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.